Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a bungalow for sale. It is located at Beadle Drive, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. It features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, offering ample space for family living. It also includes a kitchen, a cozy living room, a dining room, and spacious hall, perfect for family gatherings and entertainment, a garage, and an outdoor building. Notably, the windows and doorways are adorned with elegant wood finishes, adding a touch of warmth and character to the home. This combines functionality and charm, making it a comfortable and inviting residence. This property is less than 3 minutes away from the town center of Santa Cruz, which makes accessibility to shopping, banking, and many other services a breeze. Transportation network is excellent. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.